The art of following up. G'day folks, Danny here with another quick video for you. You know, the art of the follow-up, that really is where the magic happens in sales. Following up isn't just about, sending an email saying, we got your inquiry, please give me a call. The true art of follow-up is being very, very persistent in making sure you can get a hold of that person. Now, sometimes people feel like they're pestering someone, but let me put it this way. If you have a terrific service that you know will benefit someone, a service that they have contacted you, they've outreached to you to have a conversation about it. If you don't follow up with them and make it your mission to get a conversation so you can fully explain the benefits of working with you, you're actually doing them a disservice. So think of it that way. You can actually be being selfish by not following up. Now, most people are very busy. Sometimes they'll inquire about something, then they'll forget. But I've had many clients say to me, oh, thank God you sent me so many emails, or thank you for following up and trying to get a hold of me. I know I've been really busy, but it's great to finally connect with you. It shows incredible persistence. And who would you want working on your team? Someone who's persistent or someone who gives up quickly? That's it for me today, folks. Talk to you soon.